People ask me, Ken, what do you do with the bamboo steamer? Many things. You can heat up dumplings. What you do is you can just line this with either cheesecloth or a linen cloth, and you put your dumplings on there to steam. Or you can steam fish on a whole plate inside the wok. And all you need to do is just put in a little bit of water in your wok to do that. And what's nice about this is since it's 2 layers, you can put 2 separate things and steam them at the same time, like that. Now, something we don't do is that we don't steam our vegetables. We tend to stir fry it, but you can use it for that if you want. Why not?